good life. If you calculate, it's over 10 million. Well done, Albert. Well done, Albert. Who of you come in and say, Albert, instead of 10 million, I'll give 50,000 for yourself.
Hello, my people. How na dey? Also na dey fine. My people, this video I'll put on for now. Make una watch about Obazee. You see this life. Never you say never in life. No, say about come and say. He said then go thief for his store for Nigeria, in office for Nigeria. Say they thief many things, expensive camera, gbogbo and this, so everything can't dey for station. I can't say can't do this updates. He can't still carry the camera come again, can't dey talk for there. Abba say he fight for Edo people. Now that thing he come make one care for inside my brain. About which Edo people you fight for? You fight for your pockets. Not the lie. You fight for your pockets. Because if really say you really do good thing, Edo people for they praise you. Nah. Obaseki where you say he do this, he do that one. Why Edo people not they praise her? Obaseki not do anything. What he promise, he not do nothing. Nothing, not do anything. Carry all the money, can't give you. The worst part of it, Abato. So you shout for 8 years, for PDP. So they no fit buy camera for you. You see this life, they say ugarudovio gwe ya jui oda fe hianva e wodao. Because me, person like me, I don't understand. Say you be want make people donate for you for online. You know, say you say that kind of thing, e no good. So what it can they make you, they carry this camera, they come even they put the price. They say that time where you buy am, you want make people come donate for you. Oh, about no nah. Because you say for donation for social media, na bad thing. E no good. People they use until they extract more people money. So not try am. Not try am. Tell PDP make them buy for you. You come out, come tell us, say, brother Mike, they give am million. You not tell us how much they give you. Upon the money where they give you, you see they come out, come they tell say, if you say make some of them, make some people buy the camera for you, they not buy. You they use time. You know, say me I dey here. Me I dey here. No matter how you want bend and go, I don't know where you they go. E no go back. Because you carry big money or you go now you carry enter house. You not call for anybody. You not give checking to anybody. You not use that to help anybody. Now only your pocket you put out for inside your pocket. Which one you can't tell us say camera this one the other one. Nah you want go the rent. Nah Abat stop how tell your papa Obaseki make it better for you. I be not be your papa again. Hey, upon you shout rich. They don't feel back camera for you. Which one you call the carry and they call social media? This one is the second time where they carry come with the price. Because you want make people come donate for you. You not go bow, not try now. If you say me there, if you try and make you come put your account number for there, say come and help. Help who? You where be say carry the money of those state people. You can't sit down for UK. You use and take carry everybody for your family. You can't put down for UK. Not try yourself. Go find money if you want buy camera. They say work e day for UK like say tomorrow not day. They go even they beg you say I beg do this one. Now you not like this one. May we give you this one. Which one you want to do? I beg, oh yeah, carry your nyash, carry your leg, go look for the work. You can't say you help Edo people. Which of Edo people you help about? You even give Edo people water drink? The answer is no. You not give drink. If you see person where be say he ask you for water, you go give them conk. Say, why you want drink water? They not they drink water. But you know they help anybody. So why you call the talk say you help Edo people? Why you call the letters they know say this one, the other one, even the office, your boys, they know they go. You go tell them, Jesus, this social media, My people, if una no say una no get wetin una wan use una money to do, una go buy ukpangolo. Una know wetin be ukpangolo. They drop and put. If you see person wey really need them for help, give. No be person like Abat wey be say he carry billions of billions enter his house. All the money wey be say Obaseki is supposed to use to do better thing for Edo State, he can't carry and give Abat. For Abba to come and tell us, say, brother Mike take how much? 10 million, abi I no know how many million, abi na 15 million. He may go no win a brother Mike. For only brother Mike to carry that one, ask yourself, Abba where they shout from morning till night for Obaseki, how much he go carry? Or Kenya ni go no do. Now they give am. So how may just they close everybody mouth, may not let anybody talk, say road no good though, this side not good though. Now when brother Mike come and say Obaseki no dey work, where about come they cry? Una go, they can't use money to cover that one mouth, may not they talk again. All of us here say brother Mike can't change that time. So we don't know say underground say Kenya ni go, they don't still give that one. Not be when the two of them can't get both bass. Now about come and say, see how much you will give her. How about you? We see the wait. May you can't tell us how much you collect for 8 years. Where be say Obaseki take day for Edo State. So now you can't come out. Can't they tell us say camera this one, the other one. If you not see money take back, go do this thing. Go work for UK. They say work in many or Sarakwa. Not on social media. Can't they do? Now you can't enemy. Now you can't. I just dey laugh. I say, who you want come wash your brain now? Which person you want come wash your brain? Person like me, you know if you wash my own. You know if you wash my own. Can't say he can't help Edo people. You when we just know say go and hide the camera. Go and hide the laptop. Go and hide the laptop. You want make them donate for you? Make them take buy something for you. Later now you can't say not be say you ask you don't already talk. Say if you say make somebody buy and now they not go buy. How they go buy for you? How they pay you? You know if you go work. If person want donate for person, you know say now something way they important. Not be that nyama where you want to they feed your pocket. Then they want come they donate put. You they use style till they ask. Me I don't know say na style. Corner. Now make can you bring the money go there this thing. Una you go Google, go screenshot and come. Make them for see the amount. It has. May you let person hear word. All the shots, they not give you money. Money where they give you, not be only you want chopper. You give us. You cut for us. Even the one where they say you give people where they say he can pay that time. You give. The answer is no. Not be only you want chopper. So why you can't they like you want camera? Who cares? The money where be say they give you. The time where Obaseki they come for the first time. Where the money? You chop am, you put am for inside emi ati or ya na as you put am for bank or ya go collect am use am take buy camera if you need camera. If you don't need camera, not come the screenshot and come they put for there, come they look wetin people want talk. Make them for say bring the account number, make we do donation. Not try yourself if you try yourself. You got only you want carry money where be say then give you, may you give other people. You carry, you eat and you chop am, you say nothing they happen. Not be UK you dey. You not all say we were there abroad, why we not dey work? I be work not dey. Not be the abroad you still dey so. And you can't did dey for the oga pata for inside where be say work, then they use and say the back person for UK for there. Not be the abroad you still dey now. So why you can't dey like can't dey screenshot am this one and 2 times because you don't know as you want to tell them say maybe you not come help, come and donate for me or I know I need them. How about just stop am. Not make me vex. I will put the video for now. Make una listen. Make una hear wetin he talk for inside there. If you get sense, you go know where about the waka they go. And you not go reach that place where the waka they go. Go meet Obaseki. Tell am say your camera the tifa. Or we go know. Abi as when you go down when you shot say no give you money. The money he give you, you don't put am for somewhere. You want make other people maybe they come bring come. Oh yeah, nah. Continue to the chat. That's why you go down for governor. Update. That's why you go down for governor. You don't know, say you know they go anywhere. Not be because of anybody, not because of you. That's why you go down, not they go anywhere because you don't fair deceive us for 8 years. So people, I don't say people can't say no, they not agree. They not agree for you. Make I put the video for now. Make una just watch. Help me to love and like and share this video. Man, I not my battle. On money where be Obaseki give am, e still there for inside there. Now make cannot they go anywhere. How can he go come Europe? Come UK in with his wife. They not they go anywhere. They'll just sit down for live video. Then say that they do live video because money they there now when they chop. One are not men now. One are not men now. Una bye for now. Me I put the video for now.
Guys, Now today I really feel say they really go break my office, loot my gadgets. Today now I feel they carry my gadgets when they work. The good ones, they leave the ones when they work. Now, I be supporter of PDP. PDP they hold stakeholders meeting tomorrow for PDP. They called me and said I should send my media team. I called my PA just now. You know what will happen? If we go cover that event tomorrow, we are going to rent equipment. Since 2017, I never rent one equipment. When you say with the cover event, all the gadgets you see for any event with the cover, whether a political event, wedding, burial, they are all my gadgets. I bought some of those gadgets with $, now 500 and something. Now $1.17. You understand? Today I feel so we now want to borrow equipment where we get before. Me and the IPO don't talk today because the matter they police station says. Of course, we get people who get 1 or 2 persons who suspect from my office. Then we still get other people who suspect. Police come arrest people for complex security. Even the complex manager self write statements. All my staff, they go write statements. As the write statement finish, now me still use my money pay them. Because I can't feel bad, like, because if matter go police station, I not talk go police side. So the matter has been on. I know that the matter will be down. And they do as says police come complex, look around, check, they go search people's house, my staff and people they arrest for the complex. Now, IPO said they are charging the matter to court. Do you know what I told the IPO this afternoon? I said no. I said I not do the work reach so we could arrest. I want to count them as one of life losses. Maybe this one I'll come to shut down the office. Because they don't really get what they do since. They use the office there and they pay them monthly. I told the IPO, I said, no, don't charge the matter to court. I'll consider here the charge matter to go court. They'll go remand some. Or court will go say, okay, so for them to get bail. I said, I'm not charging the matter to court. So I said, we sue the complex. Say because CCTV did the complex. Why they go talk say they don't see the CCTV footage? Give us. I said no. I will not sue the complex. I know say because the owner of the complex are billionaire. If I swear I will pay for my equipment. I said I will not. The complex has been nice to me since 2017. I never get problem for that place. Now this about not class. Now this APC PDP wahala. Now make my people know they go office every day. For their own safety, I said, they go office every day. So the office can't get disorganized. You don't know who go, you don't know who go. So I will say they drop key here. They don't want to say I go, I drop, give this one a key. So I think they said self-preservation this time. I'm not going to say because I'm not there around me, I'm not going to lose guard. So now this, I swear, no politics, and I scatter my office. Those my equipment, the APC, Obazee government, and this is what they work for. I don't be like T-Life when they report both PDP, APC, Labour. I don't be like Bestibere. I don't be like other platforms. Even when Labour, they tell me that I say they will pay me at the cost of some matter work. I tell them, I say, my platform is strictly for Obazee and Obazee candidates. I made of will feed one. So I live out in the house of God. The equipment we lost, but I don't even lie. If you calculate, it's over 10 million. Where do Abbat? Who will fit come in and say, Abbat, decide to tell me now, I'll give 50,000 for yourself. Make sure you get the camera in the next 1 week. Get all the equipment in the next 1 week. I mean, so sometimes when we say we want to drop money for politics, I don't know what we go through. I think, what do I want to do now? So I can't say the kind matter go court or they can be, they always stand for front of judge. I said, no. Even when IPO called, I said, IPO said, no, the police said they must bring in all my staff. Because we get one particular one when they enter that office without our approval. And we don't give a key to the main office. That was our prime suspect. But police said, no, not the other one. Say I must bring in, or I said, no, I don't agree. Make chemical right statement. Or make Joshua go right statement. They said, no, police say, I want to teach police how to do their job. They go right, and I me beg them. Me when get this well lost, when they thief. Now me beg them. I said they must not sleep there. Because I know police can be funny. They will turn matter, they will talk business for them. So how about your gun all the year? Fight for the masses. You know what they go through. Somebody will watch this video that can say about how many be the cameras. Okay, NS camera 3. So this one lost. This one lost. It's okay. Make I buy one for you. They don't buy. I don't know the help they do.